Thank you. Can I have my cookie too, please? Can I have the cookie part, not just the frosting? Do you have a cookie to go with this frosting? Thank you. How many is that? How many do you have in there?
2.
No, try again. How many? Count.
2, 3, 4.
1.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, good job.
Trey, do you think Daddy needs more water?
Can I get some more water, please? All gone. Thank you. Some ice water, please.
Ice.
Yep. Thank you.
Do I want ice water?
Trey's gonna get some ice water too.
Yeah.
Oh, what color?
Wait.
Just knew it was in his golf bag.
Is that where he's
Get on the seat.
No.
Like this.
To mommy?
He knew exactly
Cheers.
where it was.
Yes, please. I'm eating this cookie though.
Okay, I'm done.
Can I taste some water, please?
I'm done.
All done.
Thank you.
Well, you guys are getting that water now.
Matching his finger.
Please, Mommy.
Cheers for mommy. Yeah, did you take a drink? Make sure you drink yours. I can have the green one? Thank you.
A yellow.
Okay. Cheers. Okay. Cookie. Can I have the white one,
No.
please?
How
You want the white one? Okay, you eat it then. Can I have a white one? Please, I'll trade you. Thank you. Ready? Yes, please.